Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example, with the usage of the contacts themselves or the dialer. And here we have to find the contact we would like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Timmy. Then let's tap on Edit Contact. And first of all, let me quickly remove the photo so I can show you what you will see after entering the contact without the photo. All we have to do right now is to tap on this camera icon, and as you can see, you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Let's find the photo and simply tap on it. And here, okay, got it. And here in this tab, we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out. We can also change the size of this highlighted square. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. You can also rotate the picture, it's up to you. And after positioning it just like you want, to simply tap on Save Copy. And as you can see, the photo will immediately appear in the circle. So remember to tap on Save if you're happy with the results, of course. And this is our contact with the photo applied. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list. Right now it is not visible, but no worries, it just needs time to refresh itself. If you will turn off the contacts completely and turn them on again, for sure the photo will appear. And of course, you will be able to see the photo, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.